So let's take a look at our data manager. You can see when you go into the data manager, you have three main choices here. These are kind of your default choices. You can go current drawing data, Plant 3D data, and your project reports, but you can also configure for Planner 3D and have your own configuration. So let's take a look at that, and we're going to set that up through our project setup. So we'll go up to our project manager here, go to project setup, and as soon as that loads, we're going to go to the Plant 3D section. And within the Plant 3D section, we're going to go to Data Manager Configuration. Now what we're going to do is we'll create a view, and I'll just leave this as the default here, a new customized view drawing data. And then I'll apply that and OK it. And now if I go back into my Data Manager here, and I use my drop down, and I go to my drawing custom views, if you notice we now have a fourth column, and that's going to contain all of the custom views that you can create here. So as you can see, it's very easy to add your own configuration to the data manager in AutoCAD Plant 3D.